to para kay baby. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, mapagmahal sa magulang. Yung respeto dapat wag mawala.
Shanti baby, sana sa murang edad mo, matutunan mong magmahal, magtiwala kay Lord, and marunong kang rumespeto sa mga nakatatanda sa'yo, sa family, at sa lahat ng tao. Huwag mawawala yun sa'yo.
Can't help ourselves, we're gonna live it up. Can't stop, won't stop.
Wish ko lang para sa apo ko na sana lagi siyang malusog at huwag siyang laging kasakit.
Wish ko sa kanya, lagi siyang smart, tapos malusog, palaging masaya.
Happy birthday, Ashanti!
We can't stop, won't stop. We can't
Happy birthday, Ashanti! Happy birthday, Ashanti!
easy. We're next level dream.
All welcome our birthday girl, together with her beloved family, no other than Ashanti!
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop.
Happy birthday, Shanti! I love you! Happy birthday, Shanti! I love you! Happy birthday, Ashanti!
Going on, everybody say we can't stop, won't stop.
Kay Ashanti, ang wish ko sa kanya, lumaki siyang mabait at saka may takot sa Diyos.
Natutuwa rin kami kasi nagkaapo kami ng babae.
Happy birthday, Ashanti!
Take it slow. Now I'll feel the air and take the long way home. This place is all I'll ever.
Happy birthday, Ashanti! Happy birthday, Ashanti!
Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out?
Happy birthday, Ashanti!
Happy birthday, Ashanti!
Happy birthday, Ashanti!
We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. Was always looking for a sign. Now I know I was just wasting time. Pretending everything.
At be thankful always, be grateful na kung ano yung meron tayo, kung ano yung meron ka. Sana hanggang sa pagtanda mo, madala mo yun na palagi kang grateful sa buhay mo. At syempre, lagi nating pasasalamatan yung mga family natin, yung mga nakasupport sa'yo palagi. At sana lumaki kang matalino at mabait na bata at may takot sa Diyos.
Are you coming with me? Let's take on. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild at heart. We're wild at heart.
Happy first birthday, our princess Ashanti! We love you so much!